Hey guys, it is December 9th. It is 4:35 p.m. The markets are closed, and I have two trades to discuss today. I haven't closed either one of them. I am holding them overnight, possibly for longer than 1 day. But yeah, let's start. So, first one was CHWY, CHWY, and I'm gonna be honest, I was hoping this trade would work better, but it is what it is, right? I went in here. Why? This had earnings yesterday, and with earnings out of the way, there was a big push up into all-time highs. And intraday, I thought it was gonna be, and by the way, this was with volume too. You see that? Intraday, I thought it was gonna keep pushing, but it didn't, and it retraced. Now, it retraced up to this level, which is the weekly support, and it didn't cross it. It didn't cross it, and if you switch over to the 15-minute, you see that the last two candles of the day are bullish, especially this one. Here, there's the rejection, people buying off support. Here, this is even more bullish, and there's volume, right? So, I'm not gonna lie. I think I got it here. I I would have loved it if it went straight up from here, but it went down. But it didn't break my pattern, right? So I'm still in. I am still holding. And when you look at it on the daily, this I can still see some momentum here with my indicators, but it has to work. It has to work tomorrow. If this closes below support tomorrow, then I'm out, right? And I can tell you now that the loss will be bigger than I would like it but that's why we trade small, right? With options. Uh, Remember, guys, with options, you're always going to have big losses, big percentage losses, right? So that's why you need to be very careful with your size. Trade small because the $100, 100% losses will be there, right? So you guys need to be very careful with your size. And by the way, today is Wednesday, and I got next Friday's calls, so there is time. There is time for this thing to work out, but I want to see it work out tomorrow. Okay. All right. The other trade that I did was, and I haven't closed, was SFIX. I actually traded this yesterday. I got it here and I let go like right here. Today, alright, so the story with SFIX was that they crushed earnings and gapped up big time. That this was yesterday, and then I didn't know what they were gonna do, and I didn't really care, right? This morning, however, they pushed upwards above yesterday's high, and I think I went in. Sorry, I went in on the hourly. I went in like at the end of this candle, right? If you notice, this is like pretty bullish too, right? And guess what? The breakout was with volume, so yeah, everything looked good. But from here, the market just, it just went straight down, right? And I'm gonna show you the SPY in a minute. But again, this hasn't closed below support, so it's still in play. I mean, if you look at the 15-minute, this is just collecting energy. That's what it's doing. That's what it's doing. It might not fire up. It might just, crash down, and in which case I will just take the loss too. But for now, it's still very much in play. And I was gonna say something else. Yeah, right. It hasn't closed below support. I have next week's calls, and yeah, there is time. The pattern is still valid, so I didn't go in big. So yeah, I mean, just holding it overnight, and we shall see what happens. Now the SPY. Let me show you something, guys. Let's just throw in a moving average. Now we all know the 8-period moving average, right? Which is the average that the SPY has been holding, you know, since for a long time, right? It retraced right to here, right to the moving average. So yes, today was a big drop, but it's nothing crazy. It's nothing crazy. It was overdue, and shame on me because I didn't align myself with the SPY in the short term, but longer term, I still think that long plays are valid, because the uptrend in the SPY hasn't broken or anything. Right now, as for the SPY intraday, yeah, this is when let's see, it opened here, and very soon it just started to go down, right? But again, this was overdue, and it's healthy. It's healthy in a way. So where do we go from here? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe we keep going down, or maybe we go up. I don't know. If the SPY goes down and the market goes down, then I will close my trades for losses, and that's okay because I trade according to my account size, and I'm always safe, right? So yeah, if they are losses, then losses they will be. It's part of the game, and if they're wins, I am gonna be happy, but I'm not gonna pump my chest because I'm not, my preference is to not hold overnight. So by doing this, by holding, by swinging these trades, I'm already starting to do things that are not within my comfort zone, right? So I'm not going to say that, yeah, I knew it would happen. No, I'm not gonna do that. All right, guys. So like I said, didn't close these trades, so there's no need to prove them yet. I will do that when I do close them, be it tomorrow or later on. All right, guys? Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.